Okay, good morning. Today's topic is input tags. Here previously discussed about the input text tag, input secret, input text area, and then input uh, checkbox. Here you completed these three things depends upon a student data. That means for displaying the student details, you have done these three information. Now the another one here is a input field tag. Here, what is exactly input field tag? Here, the input field tag used to insert a Salesforce object. That means if you want to insert the Salesforce object, if you want to retrieve some information from the Salesforce object, you will get this type of input tag. Here, you will use the field name here like this in Apex input field value. That means it's having different parameter. And then another important one here is a input hidden tag. Here that means if you want to any input field defining a, that means to hide different input fields. For that means you may use any number of fields for hiding. Then you will use a input apex input hidden tag. That means you will go to login.salesforce.com login, that means Salesforce login. Then you will from this you will go to the Salesforce. From here click on here. Okay, I'm going to creating a one page. How can you create the page? Here go to home, and then here you will create a simple page. The page here is a hidden tags, but the hidden tags are for the input field tags. Here let us take simple name apex colon input field tag. Field, let us assume tag, let us assume input field tag. I'm taking the name as an input field tag. Yeah, it displays like this. That means I'm going to create a new page. Here create page. Now I'm going to apply in the input tag. Here I'm going to remove this information. If any input tag, any information, you require a form tag. Here you have to write the first, you have to write the form tag. How can you write the form tag? For example, apex colon form. Under the form tag only, you will write anything here. Here I want to write some hidden information. Input field tag. How can you write the input field tag? Here you will have some tag is there apex colon input field apex colon input field tag. Here it's having some information. Here this particular input field tag consists of attributes like a some attributes. It's having the some attributes. What are the attributes for the input field tag? The attributes are id is a one attribute, label is a one attribute, and then value is a another attribute for the this particular tab. Here how can you use the id value? Here go to the field information. Here how can you use the id value? For example, id is a int. I don't need any id. Here I am taking the value. Here particular value I should take the object. That means it is called here binding value, binding a certain information. How can you provide the binding value? Here based on a um, flower brackets. Within a flower bracket exclamatory mark is there. Here exclamatory mark, here you will use the some different binding value. For example, I am taking the 4 3 like that. You have to get the different input binding value. That means it is going to object. From the object only you will get the different value. Here how can you get the object value? I want to see the object information. Here that means I'm going to get a account data. For example, you have a account field is there. Let us assume account field is there. From the account field, I'm going to getting some information. For example, I click on account. Click on account. From the account field, I want to get some certain information. For example, I want to display a particular person record. For example, this is a one record. Let us assume I want to get this record. Here, the particular record consists of record name, record number, like that. Here, I want to view this field. From how can you get this view this field? You will view this field, view field data. Here from the view field, here you have a, you will use this field name, field value, that means field owner, field site, and then field account source. From these values, you will get the data. Here, how can you do that information? Here, if you want to get any information from the already custom object or standard object, you require one controller information. Here, the controller information is a standard controller. Here, the standard controller consists of string. Here, from the account, I am going to getting some data. Account. Here, from the account, I am going to get the data. Here, how can you get the data here? What type of data you want to fill here? I want to get that information. Account dot. Here, what are the field values here? For example, account dot name. For example, this field value here is a account dot name. Yeah, account dot name. From this only you will get the field value. Apex field. Yeah, it's having the field value. Here, for example, account name. Account name. Let us assume account name. Yeah. Yeah, you have a field values like this account field value. That field value, that means this is in this way input field data. That means from where you got this one. From here I got a account field data here, and then for example another one, another important thing here, and then field data, another important thing. I want to display another one, owner or account number. I want to get the account number. How can I get the account number? Input field. From the input field, standard is a account dot the input field, account number. Here, number. If you click on yes, yeah, I got a second field value. From the in this way you will get the, that means in this way you will use this input field value. Yeah, this is a standard object. Here from the standard object I got a this account information. Already created application is there, college information system. College information system, this is an application. From this application I want to get a student data. I want to get the student data. How can I get the student data? Yes, student. If you comes to here, student number, student name. Here, student number, student name. I want to get any student record information. Let us assume any student record information. How can you get the any student record information? That means I don't need this one. I need this one. It is student record information. I need a field value. What are the field values here? The field values, the object name is a student underscore C. That means that is called here controller. And then the values here, API values you are taking. Here for doing that one, you take this one. Same object. Apex slash already previously created one object name. Okay, go to that object, no problem. Go to that object. Input field value. Yeah, I want to remove this information, and then I remove this information, and then here in this case, what is the standard controller? I want to display the custom object data. The custom object here is the custom object name. The custom object name in this case student underscore c. That means the account all are standard object. That's why there is no problem here. The custom object here is a student underscore c. For this custom object I want to get the field values apex colon input field. Input field, here you have a value here is a object. Here how can you get the object value? Here already how can you get the object value? The object values are field names, api names. With the help of api name you will get the object value. For example, department number is one, department name is another one. And then for example, here the field value as name. Let us assume these API values you are taking. You should take the API value. For example, this is a student underscore dot name. Let us assume, yeah, it will. I think this is called here custom object. Student is a custom object. It must formula. That means method. What the fixed field must contain only one expression. Here you have to represent that information in a expression. Here, how can you represent the information in expression? Here in this way. That means any field value, any input field value or object value, the value represented as a expression. Click on here. Click on here. It shows an expression. Here, this is a student object information. Here, that means student number, student name. That means I want to display that student output information. Let us assume apex dot. Next section we will discuss about that information. Apex dot output. It is not showing anything. Apex dot apex not colon output field value. Here output field value, what is the value here? The output field value here is the same. I'm taking the same object for the output field value. Here what it shows, yeah, the input value this one, the output value it shows a object information. The controller not showing anything, not showing anything in the sense you have to give the id, which object you are going to displaying. Here which object I want to display in the object 0 to this id. That means you have to provide the id for this one. Here question mark id equal to control v. Enter this one. Id equal, yeah, it shows it to. For example, I'm taking the break. I'm taking the break here. Yeah, how can you get this value? 0 to, yeah, I want to display the all information. For example, student name, that one, the name or number, and then another one, another one. All 5 fields are there, I think so. That means for 5 fields I am taking the value. And then the first one here is a student number, student name. The second field in this case student name. Here what is the name value? Control v, student name underscore v, another name student marks, student marks, and then another field here is a, that means you have to take the field values from here only. Student marks, fee, and then finally department number. Totally I'm having the 5 fields. I wrote the five fields, entire five fields for a particular record. It shows the entire five fields for the particular record. Here, say this one. Yeah, it shows the five fields here. That means you required break. Take a break. Yeah, one by one. It displays the information one after another. Here, one after another. Similarly, you may use the input field. For the input field, here this is called here input field information. In this way, you will get the input field information. I want to hide next. I want to hide the any field here. For example, this is a field value. For example, another one, another field value. How can you get the another field value for the name? I am taking a student underscore dot control V. It shows the name field also input field. The name field input field. Your name field, and then on, for example, copy paste here. I want to hidden field. I want to get the hidden field for the, for example, this is a name, and then marks, control V. Here it shows the marks field also input field. Yeah, it shows the marks field. I want to hide this marks field. How can I hide this marks field? That means there is a hidden input hidden function is there. Here, for example, apex colon input hidden. That means input hidden function. Here, this particular hidden function, what is the necessity of this hidden function? Value is an object. Here you may give the any value here. Particular object, I am going to hide this value. That means the record is there. I cannot show the field fee for everyone. I cannot show the field value fee, the fee of the student, not everyone. That's why it's hide. There is a field is there, but it is going to hiding this value. Here in this way, you will hide the value. It's not showing fee, not showing anything. That means input hiding. In this way, you will apply the different fields, input and output fields. Like this, you will apply. Thank you.